Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Steph, and if you want to see how I achieve these eyebrows, please keep on watching. So let's get started, guys. So these are the products I'll be using: Fit Me Loose Finish Powder in shade 35, Dry Beauty Blender, of course, Elegant Pro Concealer in Chestnut, Tarte Shade Stay 475 Tan Deep Sand, I believe, is Spoolie, Benefit 24 Hours Setter, but you can use a got to be glue, the black one, if you are on a budget. All you need is to add a tiny bit on your spoolie and set your brows with it. Anyway, I'll show you how to use it when we get to that part, okay? So this part is totally optional. If your brows are groomed by a professional, you don't have to do this part, but if you want to do it yourself DIY, go ahead and follow this step, okay? So stretch your skin upward and trim the hair in the direction you want your brows to go. Okay guys, I don't really have a full eyebrows, but we're just gonna work with what we have, okay? Then brush it down and trim the excess hair. Make sure you are taking your time. Do the same to the upper part. This is very important. Take your time, because if you don't, you might mistakenly scrape your eyebrows, and you don't want that. It has happened to me before. I'm talking from experience, so please guys, take your time. Nobody wants to have a browless. I hope so. We're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, we're on our way. Pull up to the party like my name is the life. Tension so thick you could cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that. Been fly since way back. Ask me how I do that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Me and your friends, we were minded. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes. Guys, see how I'm stretching my skin upward now. This is exactly how you should go about yours if you want to DIY your eyebrows at home. I don't really have much on there. I just want to show you guys, and it's pretty easy. Just be careful. That is all you need to know. Be careful. And if you are scared of mistake or scared of cutting your brows off, please go to a professional. You don't have to do it yourself if you can't, okay? If you feeling a vibe, we ain't gonna stop for nothing. Put your hands to the sky if you catching a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Yeah, you can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you. Now that our brows are groomed, first and foremost, what I do is to powder my eyebrows with a setting powder and with a dry beauty blender. Because my face is already moisturized and is kind of slippery right now, so with the help of the setting powder, it will keep it in place. Guys, see how sharp my pencil is? Yes, this is how you want to keep your pencil, especially when drawing your strokes. Just like so, without pressure on my eyebrow. I wish you guys can just feel what I'm doing now. Really, it's just a zero pressure on my eyebrow pencil. And remember to hold your pencil at the edge. Do not allow your hand to be so close to the tip, if you understand what I mean. I hope so. Now I'm gonna brush the hair downward and repeat the same step on the upper part, then fill it in with the same pencil. guys, I'm basically filling the outer third of my eyebrows. Then I'll take my spoolie again to brush it out. After I'm satisfied with the brows, then it's time to clean with concealer. All you need here is only the tip of your brush to do the work for you. Another trick is to slide your head back a little bit to get the concealer exactly where you want it, especially the front part of your brows. You can then drag the concealer down to also clean your eyelid. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. Thing that has ever happened to you. So I forgot to show you guys in the beginning. So this is the brush I'll basically be using to to blend the concealer in, and the brush is from Reed Techniques. Yes. So guys, for the upper parts, repeating the same step, but this concealer is close to my skin. Now guys, notice how I'm holding my brush here. I'm holding it flat, not how I hold it at the lower part. I'm actually using the same brush. I only wipe the first concealer away from the brush. It is lighter than my skin natural tone. Show me what you can do, make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. Feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. So guys, I'm basically using this brush now to blend the remaining concealer into my skin. I want you to just watch the second brows without a distraction of my voice because some people learn with just a self-explanatory videos. Thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feel. Another thing I want to point out is eyebrows are not twins, they are sisters. So bear it in mind, regardless on how you want it to look the same, they can't be, okay?
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
Ah, we made it, we made it, we made it. I'm just gonna go ahead now and set my brows with my Benefit 24 brow setter. Like I said in the beginning of this video, if you don't have any brow setter, use got to be glue, the black one. Just put tiny bits on your spoolie and use it to brush your brow. It's gonna give you the same result. And we are basically doing this because we do not want our brows to get oily before the end of the day. So there you have it, guys. It's very simple and very detailed eyebrows. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends and family. I will see you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.